Hello friend, welcome to Market Analysis channel. On this chart, I will be analyzing Ethereum and I'll be showing what is happening on Ethereum at the moment and what to expect from this point onward. Let's get into this analysis in detail. I'll be starting the analysis from point 3. Point 3 happens to be the resistance zone that Ethereum made before it finally takes some rest and it comes down to the support zone that it is at the moment. When Ethereum hits the point 3 at the resistance zone, the seller take charge of the price and they send Ethereum into a downward correction which stopped around the 50-day moving average. When it got to the 50-day moving average, the buyer pushed in with this explosive bar that closed within the middle of the range and it has above average volume. But that couldn't stop the downward pressure on Ethereum. The price ranged on 50-day moving average for several periods, and suddenly it also had additional sell support from the sellers. And what really happened, that's at point 4. Ethereum now finally break below the 50-day moving average line, hitting its support zone. When Ethereum got to the support zone, it had a support from buyers on this particular bar. The bar closes upward towards the peak of its range and it has a volume above average volume. That's a very good indication that the buyers have stopped the downward pressure. And ever since this particular bar occurred, Ethereum has found it difficult to break below the low of this particular bar, which is 1740.00. Then the price keeps ranging in between buyers and sellers. The price traded sideways for extended period of time underneath the 50-day moving average. Before the buyer had more to their position on this particular bar, they also initiate additional upward close bar which closed around the top of its range, and that marked the beginning of the new rally that is happening on Ethereum from the support zone. One thing I want you to look at is this: while all these prices are trading sideways and are ranging with tight trading, the volume on the chart is below the average volume. That is telling us that no more selling coming into Ethereum. Traders are holding tight and they are waiting for additional confirmation to add more to their position, and that's exactly what's happening at the moment. Let's talk about the prior bar. This prior bar has a volume is below average but almost to the average volume, and it closes above the 50-day average line. As it closes above the 50-day average line, it's a very strong indication. It's telling us that the price have finally rise above a turbulent zone. Is now closing above the 50-day average line, which is very good, and that has told us that the rally that has started in the prior 3 bar is beginning to kick off in full gear. Our position has been initiated when the price started the rally, and we are waiting for it to rise to 0.4, and if it finally break above 0.4 at this particular price, 2019.00, immediately Ethereum rise above that particular price, we will add more to our position at 0.4. And if it finally traded to 0.3 and traded above 0.3 as well, we will also add more to our position, which will continue its rally. Ethereum has bottomed now. It has had a short time bottom on this support zone, and a rally is picking up gradually, and this is the best time to join this move before it's obvious and it's too late at a higher price. Let me zoom out and let's show what is in the big picture and how it relates to what's happening at the moment before showing analysis on our target zone. When you look at the chart from the left hand side, you'll see that the market bottom and a bull market started, which is a very nice indication of a rally. We had Ethereum, it pick up from there, it rise towards 0.1. Then it has the minor resistance zone. It tested this resistance zone twice before it finally dropped back to the 200-day moving average at our point 2, and from there it gained support. When you look at the bottom of the chart, you will see the volumes there, the above average volumes that came in around point 2, and that have finally sent the price upward. This time the price broke through the resistance zone and it head to point 3, about 58% increase. Then point 3, the price had to have some correction again. The seller hit it back to the 50-day average line. It had a small rally up to 0.4. It couldn't continue its upward rally before it now finally come back to the support zone, which is its prior resistance that is now acting as support zone. As it has now find its way and it's now bouncing off the support zone, which we analyzed recently, that's now additional entry for us in Ethereum, and our focus now will now be the take profit. Ethereum target zone is around 3,360. That's the equivalent of 0.2 to 0.3 rally. That's around 56% increase from 0.3 upward. That's our target on Ethereum. If this analysis really assists in your coin holding, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to click the bell button so anytime I upload analysis on your favorite currency, you can always receive notification. And if you have any question or your opinion, try to like the video and drop it in the comment section. I wish you happy trading. See you next time. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.